Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the POCO X3 Pro versus Realme X1 Max device. The POCO X3 Pro has got the Snapdragon 860 chipset and the Realme X1 Max has got the Dimensity 1200 chipset. Let's see friends which phone can actually open these games and applications faster and what will be the RAM management between these both phones. That is what my main idea of comparing between these both devices today. And this is a question which has been requested by a few of my users as well. So recently we did get the update in the Realme X1 Max. Let's see after the update how the Realme X1 Max is behaving in terms of the RAM management. And let me quickly open the Wi-Fi connection first. So I need to show you exactly what kind of Wi-Fi network both phones are connected, because that's also most important. So right now both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network, which is 2.4 GHz network. You can clearly see friends, 2.4 GHz. So all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management. So there is no applications running at this moment in these both phones. And out of 8 GB, 5.1 GB is available and 4.85 GB is available in the Realme X1 Max. As you can clearly see friends. Now let me open the applications and gains page. So these are the 5 applications and 5 games which I'm going to do the RAM management and speed test. And these 5 games are really very small game. I did not include any kind of big game in this kind of RAM management test. So it should be kind of pretty basic and simple task for both phones. So that should not be any kind of issues. Now let me slightly kind of zoom up so you'll be able to exactly focus on the both phones. And let me just start with the Google Chrome first. 1, 2 and 3. Not bad. And next is Amazon application. And let's go to the mobiles and let's open some random phone. M52. Let's keep this in the background RAM management. Next is a touch sampling rate. I just want to draw some lines to keep this in the background RAM management only. Next is a Flipkart. And you can observe the loading speeds, how the both phones are loading in terms of the loading. As you can see, slightly the Realme X Max was able to load a little bit kind of faster. So I did observe one thing friends, the connectivity in the Realme X Max is really good. So if you talk about the Wi-Fi or 4G, doesn't matter. So it's really good in the Realme X Max. So right now you can see the Realme X Max is taking most of the Wi-Fi out of it at this moment exactly. And in case if you're watching new to my channel, this is my first time you're watching my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button as well friends. So definitely it's going to be really interesting to see so many comparisons which I'll try to upload every day. And let me know in the comments what other videos you want me to compare between both phones. Apart from the speed test, what else you want me to compare? Definitely I'll do my best to post the comparison videos. And first phone to finish is the POCO X3 Pro and next the Realme X1 Max device. Let's go to the home page again. Let's open the Ilcram Racing. So I did click at same time, but the POCO X3 Pro was able to open slightly kind of faster in terms of the opening speeds. So the next important thing is the RAM management. So speed test, it matters a little bit, but the RAM management is the one which decides the fate of this both phones, what is going on with the RAM management. MIUI 12.5 versus Realme UI 2.0. So if you try to observe, the speed is slightly very close between these both phones in terms of the opening speed. Not a huge difference. And right now the POCO X3 Pro was able to open slightly faster, little bit. Little bit faster than the Realme X1 Max device. So next is to test the RAM management. So let's see which phone has got what type of RAM management right now. All the 5 applications and 5 games are completely open in both phones. Let's go to the home screen and all the 5, as you can see exactly. And the RAM availability, I just want to show you friends, RAM availability how much it is. So 2.06 GB is available in the Realme X1 Max and 3.5 GB is available in the POCO X3 Pro. As you can see, you can clearly see how the RAM management is there. And now let me try to start opening from the first application, which is the Chrome application. From the beginning I'm trying to open between these both phones. Let's see which phone can actually store this Chrome in the background RAM management. So this is going to be really interesting. 1, 2 and 3. The POCO X3 Pro did keep exactly same Chrome application, did not get reloaded. You can clearly see what is happening. So let's see the Amazon application. At least Amazon should be kind of, this page should not get reloaded. 1, 2 and 3. Boom. The POCO X3 Pro did keep exactly same as it is. Instant. As you can see friends, the Realme X1 Max did not keep that page. Next is the touch sampling rate Lines, this is a very small application friends, not a huge big application. I would say this very small applications with basic applications. So just want to see this lines is there or not. No, the lines are not there. The application got refreshed, but whereas in the Poco X3 Pro it's there. Flipkart, same phone, both phones were there. It took some time in the Poco X3 Pro as well to load that Flipkart. Speed test, you can see the results, right? 67.7 Mbps speed. Let's see this results page will be there or not. In the Poco X3 Pro it's there, but not in the Realme X1 Max. You can see the difference. So Realme X1 Max, after the update, the RAM management a little bit got affected, I would say. Hill climb racing, exactly it is there in the Poco X3 Pro. You may think I can open from here as well directly. That's not a problem for me. But as a viewer, you should know whether these applications are actually there in the background in both phones or not. That's the reason as a proof, I'm trying to open every time from the background. So you should see what is going on exactly. That's the reason, friends. So I do know it wastes a little bit kind of time, but still it's kind of really worth of knowing what I'm trying to exactly mention. As you can see, the Candy Crush is open. Stake ball, exactly it is there, but this game is not there in the Poco X3 Pro. Stake ball is not there. Final game is Angry Birds 2. Angry Birds 2 is there. So only one game did not open in the background RAM management, which is a stake ball. Apart from that, all the 5 applications and remaining 4 games are completely open in the Poco X3 Pro. So definitely in the RAM management, the Poco X3 Pro is slightly kind of better. I mean MIUI at this moment in terms of optimization for the RAM management. So hopefully the Realme should fix in the maybe next in the Realme UI 3.0, which we'll be receiving very soon. So hopefully they should be fixing these kind of things. So final RAM management, again I'll try to show you 2.36 GB. So one thing is very consistent in the Realme UI. So you can actually see exact accurate data, how much RAM is free and available. But in the Poco X3 Pro, it's not the case. In the Poco X3 Pro, you can see 4.5 GB it's showing, even after opening all the applications and games. So just before starting, you can see clearly it showed 3 GB, but now it's showing 4.5 GB. If I try to again open, again GB will change. Now it's showing 4.8 GB. As you can see clearly what is going on. Now let me try to open this game and I'll try to open the multitasking again. It changes 4.5 GB little bit. It's not that accuracy because now it's become 5.2 GB. As you can see, even after opening all this kind of applications, but still. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this, friends. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. This is a quick comparison between both phones, and final winner is the Poco X3 Pro. Meanwhile, signing off. Thank you for watching. Bye.